The first thing that you have to do is you just need to disable the full screen optimization and run your Valorant game as an administrator. Open your file explorer, then click on this PC, then on local disk C, and here you'll find the Riot game folder. Just double click on it to open, then on Valorant, then on live, and here you will find valorant.exe. Just make a right click on it and choose properties. Now here click on the compatibility tab and then check this option of disable full screen optimization and also run this program as an administrator. Now here you will find compatibility mode as well. If this check has been marked, then what you have to do, you need to uncheck it. But if it's been unchecked, then you need to check this box, and from the drop down you need to choose the latest version of Windows. If it's showing you Windows 10, you can choose it, or else choose Windows 8. Once done, click on apply and then on OK. Now above this valorant.exe, you will find here shooter game. Just double click on it, then on binaries, then on Win64, and now scroll down. You will find Valorant Win64 shipping.exe. Just make a right click on it, choose properties, click on compatibility, and do the same thing. Disable full screen optimization, run this program as an administrator. Check both these boxes, click on apply and then click on OK. Once done, just close it. Now make a right click on the taskbar to open your task manager. On Windows 11, you can press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the task manager. Now once you come here, just go to the details tab here. Now scroll down and look for the Valorant folder or the Riot games. Here it is. Now look for the Riot client or Valorant, and here you will find, just make a right click on it and you will find set priority. So you have to choose above normal or to high. Okay, once done, just close it. And now we have to create new variable, a few variable for Valorant game. So for that, what you have to do, on the search box you have to type edit the system, and you will be getting this option, edit the system environment variable. Just click on it. The system properties will now be up, and below that you will find environment variables. Just click on it, then click on new, and here it will ask you to type variable name and variable value. So this you will find in the description. You just need to copy it and paste the variable name in the variable name box and type the second command that will be in the variable value, and then click on OK, then click on OK again, and then OK again. Next, what you have to do, you also need to update your graphic driver. Graphic driver, outdated driver can either be which can cause such kind of problem for you. So what you have to do, you just need to assure that your graphic driver is updated, and if not, then you have to update it. So what you have to do, just make a right click on the Windows icon and choose device manager. Device manager box will now be up. Look for the display adapters, double click on it, and depending what kind of graphic card you have, if you have the AMD, it will show you AMD. If you have the Intel, it will show you Intel or Nvidia. So here what you have to do, just choose the right graphic card that you have, make a right click on it and choose update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers. And if the driver has been already updated, and if you have the updated version of your driver, it will give you this message. And if there is any update available, it will automatically update it and give you some recommendations. So simply follow it, and after that just click on close. Once done, just close it. And now we also need to run a service. We need to assure that the VGC service is running on your Windows machine. So for that we have to open the services. So just press the Windows and letter R key to open the run box on the left hand corner, and type here services.msc. Then click on OK. The services box will now be up, and now here we have to look for the VGC service. So you just need to press the V key, V as in Victor, so that we can come to the V section. And here you will find VGC. Just make a double click on it, and now you can see that it has been stopped. So what you have to do, on the startup type, you just need to assure that it's been set to automatic, and then click on start. Then click on apply, okay, and close it. Now simply restart your PC and you will see that the Valorant black screen issue has been fixed, and now you won't be having the problem again. Hopefully this will work for you guys. It already worked for me and for many other people, and I'm feeling the same for you as well. And do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.